there's a whole group of people sandwiched in between, born somewhere between 1965 and 1980, and they are the quietest, toughest, most confusing generation I've ever watched grow up. And I watched them grow up, literally. They came through my shoe repair shop in Bay Ridge, Brooklyn, starting in the mid-70s. Little kids with apartment keys on strings around their necks, dragging in their school shoes with the soles flapping, no parent in sight. They'd sit in the chair by the window and wait while I fixed their shoes, and they didn't fidget, didn't whine, didn't ask me to call their mother. They just waited, quietly, like little adults trapped in children's bodies. I didn't know what to call them then. Nobody did. Now they call them Generation X, and I've got 10 things to tell you about them.